జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత సెకండ్ చాప్టర్ సాంఖ్యయోగం 22nd శ్లోక. శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ టీచింగ్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Arjuna, in your day-to-day routine, in your life, all of your torn out clothes, what are you doing? You are just discarding them and getting new clothes, new garments. So also you, that means soul, the jiva, when this body gets torn out, that soul departs from that body and takes new body." Here the question is, how are you deciding that this body is torn out? Clothes, you know when it is torn out, when you cannot wear anymore. But how can you decide that body is torn out? Krishna Paramatma saying that, no, you cannot decide, because this body is made by me. This body is given to you by me. I am the one who put you in this body. At that time, I decide this body to be used by you for so and so time. It may be 1 year, it may be 2 years, it may be immediately soon after the birth, it may be 10, it may be 50, it may be 100 years. That is up to me. The moment that time is over, you are just leaving this body and receiving and getting another body. So that is whenever you are getting to leave, or whenever you are getting to see others are leaving the bodies, you have to remember my decision. You have to remember that, yes, Krishna Paramatma decided upon this like this. We cannot do anything. That means you have to also realize that this body is no more eligible for that soul to use for further experience of his past deeds. This is what you should remember. This is how Krishna Paramatma asking all of us to realize the death of anyone is nothing but Krishna Paramatma's decision, and that soul is getting another new body, for which everybody has to feel happy but not to worry about that. So just like as and how when we are getting new garments, we are feeling happy. We are not worrying about that. Krishna Paramatma giving us this teaching, having this essential teaching of Krishna Paramatma running in our mind. Let us now try to repeat the same words which are spoken by Sri Krishna Paramatma. Vasamsi jirnani yadha vihaya నవాణి గృహ్ణాతి నరోపరాణి తథా శరీరాణి విహాయ జీర్ణాని అన్యాని సంయాతి నవాని దేహి. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanaastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana.